rejoice every time you hear the sound of my voice. Just know that I'm looking down, you're smiling. You don't feel the pain. Hi guys, welcome to another story. I'm Shelly and this is Tyson, and we have Eminem on the radio. What a vibe. Anyway, मैंने थोड़ा matcha पी लिया to get my senses awaken. Of course, I have no makeup on and nothing yet because I'm just doing some early morning cardio, walking with my best friend here. There's something on the screen and I think that it's Tyson's nose water thing. Yeah. अब मैं इसे quick सा round दूंगी. Tyson is waiting, looking at me right now. So I'll walk with him and then I'm gonna go home and maybe go get some hair color done. Yeah, let's go. So basically almost we're done and you'll soon find out what we've been doing. And now we're just gonna have this one medjool date and some carnitine in my shaker. I have this measured out. I also finished one Diet Coke, and after this we're gonna head to the gym. Hey guys, as you can see, the transformation is complete. I'm not sure how I feel about it. The blonde against my brown skin tone is a bit much, I think. But I don't know. I think I'll have to find a way to pull it off or color it back to black if I don't feel good about it. Anyway, I'm trying to open my pre-workout, which I've closed so tightly. Now currently it's like I think 3:40. The gym closes at 4. I've taken an off day from work today and I by mistakenly put in one whole scoop of pre-workout when in reality I'm gonna be working out only for 20 minutes and I don't know what's gonna happen now. I'll just have to drink this. Probably run on the treadmill or do some heavy stairmaster workout. But yeah, I'll catch you guys after the workout. I'm not filming the workout because I have anyways 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna put all of my focus into the workout. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this doggy?
Oh. Wow, you look different. Oh, your hair. Oh my god. You look like a fluffy puppy. Hi. What is up with the cookie? She's gonna run.
Let's go, Caramel. Let's go for a walk. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, so basically I did the hair color. It was 3:30. Then I went to the gym, a different gym, not Danny's, and that gym, by the time I reached there, it shut because it was already like almost 4 o'clock, so I was not able to work out there. And then I just came to meet my school's best friend, that's Kelly. Say hi.
Hey-o.
We've been friends since forever. She's the kindest sweetheart ever. And there you go. Oh, and of course that's her dog Caramel. You already met her. and I basically came to meet her because she has a gym in her society, and I thought the gym is operational. It is operational, but everything is in such a bad state that the moment I stepped inside, I felt like, nope, not happening. I'm not working out. I don't want to work out. I'm sorry if I don't look into the camera because I'm still getting used to the color and I keep looking at the screen to admire myself. I don't know. So basically, after looking at the gym, I realized like I feel like taking a recovery day today. I'll probably just walk around with my friend Kelly, and we're gonna meet one more friend, Prerna. Both are from my school, and we'll just walk around in my neighborhood for some time, and then I'm gonna see what I do from there. Currently, it's 5:30. I haven't had much to eat, so I'll probably just walk and then go grab some food. And hey guys, so basically we met another friend of mine. She didn't want to be a part of my vlog, so we didn't meet her. I had my lunch, I had some chicken, but I'm a new vlogger and I kind of forgot to vlog that. Anyways, so I just dropped Kelly home, and now I decided to come meet my friend Jay at his place because he stays very close. So I'm gonna have my dinner here. I'll show you guys how I make that. Also, please don't forget to leave a like, also comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to be a part of my stories. I highly appreciate your presence. I love you guys so much. Bye.